begins to move, mountains start to shake, for the God of all creation turns the night to day. Every prison door is opening, every wall must bow, for the God who walked on water is walking